Good morning, students. In our last class, we have started a new topic, that is our nervous system. Can you recollect what are the things we discussed in our last class? That is, the nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. And our nervous system controls all the other systems of our body. And we have already discussed about the first thing, that is the brain. And today we are discussing about the second and third sections of our nervous system, that is about the spinal cord and the nerves. The spinal cord. What does mean by spinal cord? That is, the spinal cord, you can see it is extending from the base of the brain or medulla. That is, the spinal cord continues from the base of the brain or medulla to almost the lower end of the backbone. You can see it is continuing to almost the lower end of the backbone, and this spinal cord is enclosed, covered inside a tough, bony but flexible spine. This is enclosed inside a very tough, but it has some bony part and it is flexible. You can flexible it, and it is but flexible spine, and it connects the rest of the body to the brain through the nerves. This spinal cord connects the whole other parts of the body to the brain. How this is connecting this the whole part of the body to the brain? It is through the nerves. The spinal cord connects the whole other parts of the body to the brain through the nerves. So what are the things we discuss about the spinal cord? The spinal cord is continuing from the base of the brain to almost the lower end of the backbone, and it is covered inside a tough bony, but we can bend and it connects the rest of the body to the brain through the nerves. The third part of the nervous system is nerves. So let's discuss about nerves. You can see the nerves are long thread-like structures. From the picture itself, you can understand it is like a thread. Nerves are long thread-like structures. And what is the function of nerves? These nerves carry messages from where and where? Yes, these nerves carry messages between the brain and other parts of the body. So, the nerves carry messages between the brain and other parts of the body. And nerves from the region of the head and the neck join the brain directly. That is, nerves from the part of the head and the neck join the brain directly. However, nerves from other parts of the body join each side of the spinal cord. You can see nerves from other parts of the body join each side of the spinal cord, and the spinal cord leads to the brain. So, nerves are made up of nerve cells, and there are three kinds of nerves. Nerves are made up of nerve cells. And how many nerves are there in our body? You can see three types of nerves. Let's discuss one by one. First, we are discussing about sensory nerves. What is sensory nerves? Yes, from the word itself you can understand. Sensory. Sensory means sense, connecting with the sense organs. So, maybe what is the function of these nerves, sensory nerves? Yes, the sensory nerves are the nerves which bring messages from the sense organs to the brain or to the spinal cord. So, this type of nerves are called sensory nerves. What are sensory nerves? The nerves which bring messages from where to where? From the sense organs to the brain or to the spinal cord are called sensory nerves. The second type of nerves are motor nerves. What about motor nerves? Can you get any idea about motor nerves? Motor means movement. So, these nerves may be connected with a movement. That is, motor nerves are the nerves which carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles or glands. Such a type of nerves are called motor nerves. What are motor nerves doing? The nerves which carry orders from where? Yes, which carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to where? To the muscles or glands. And such a type of nerves are called motor nerves. Once again, the nerves which carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles or glands are called motor nerves. And the last type of nerves are mixed nerves. The nerves which carry messages to the brain as well as bring orders from the brain are called mixed nerves. So, mixed nerves do both the duties of a sensory nerve and motor nerve. That is, the nerves which carry messages to the brain and as well as bring orders from the brain. And such type of nerves are called mixed nerves. The nervous system controls all our actions, but some of our actions are automatic. Who is controlling all our actions? This nervous system. And the nervous system controls all our actions, but some of our actions it is like automatic. We do not have to think before doing them. And this type of actions are called reflex actions. What is reflex actions? Some of our actions are automatic and we do not have to think before doing them, and such type of actions are called reflex actions. And such actions are controlled by whom? Yes, such actions are controlled by the spinal cord. For example, when our finger comes too close to a hot object, then who will react? Yes, sensory nerves, because we are sensing that we are touching. Here the sensory organ is connected. So sensory nerves immediately pass a message to the spinal cord, and the spinal cord sends orders through the motor nerves. Here spinal cord sends order to whom? The spinal cord sends orders through the motor nerves for the muscles to tighten up. That is, we pull our hand away from the hot object even before we feel the pain. Before feeling the pain, we start to pull our hand away from that hot object. Clear? Blinking of the eyes and watering of the mouth are two other examples of reflex actions. So, some other examples of reflex action are blinking of the eyes. If a very hard light comes to your eyes, you start to blink your eyes. And watering of the mouth. If any tasty food can come in front of you, you start to your mouth start to watering. And these two are examples of reflex actions. So, what are the things we discussed today? Yes, we know that nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and nerves. Today we discuss about the spinal cord and nerves. What about nerves? Nerves are long thread-like structure. Its structure is like a long thread. What is the function of a nerves? That carry messages between the brain and other parts of the body. And there are three types of nerves, that is sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. And the actions, some actions are automatic, and such a type of actions we call it as reflex actions. And some examples we already given, that is blinking of the eyes and watering of the mouth. These are the two examples of reflex actions.